Hello, good morning students. Let's continue our revision of class 12th English course. So let's see once more some long answer questions. So this is the long answer question part 2 session presented by SKJN PGT English and Vikatni MP. Today we shall discuss these two questions. Question number 1. Mr. Lamb calls Derry his friend while Derry refuses his affirmation. Would you consider their relationship with each other as friendship? Support your answer with reference to the instances given in the text. Second question. How does the story Should Wizard Hit Mummy? Who would you support? Wizard or Mummy? Justify your choice. Now let's write the first answer. Yes, Derry was suffering from a severe sense of self-hatred and elimination because of his burnt face. He thought that he was very ugly and that's why no one would ever love him. He always remained suspicious of others' intentions. When Mr. Lamb heard about it, he felt very sad. He was disheartened to know that a 14-year-old boy was giving up on life just because of his physical disability. Mr. Lamb tried to befriend him, but Derry showed no interest. At first, he shocked Derry with his strange talk. He tried to arouse Derry's interest in everything created by God. He persuaded him that he could get better than others. His encouraging words had charmed Derry. Mr. Lamb exclaimed him that everyone and everything is essentially the same and the notion of beauty is relative. Mr. Lamb's ideas left a great impact on him and Derry began to see the world with a new perspective. Thus, we can see that there developed in an invisible kind of friendship between them which was not bound by age. Now the answer of the second question. In the story Should Wizard Hit Mummy? Who would you support, Wizard or Mummy? Justify your choice. So the answer of this question can be written in this way. Going through the story and understanding the viewpoints of both the parent and the child, I would support the mummy as the adults are mature enough and have the capacity to foresee the good or bad of their children. Moreover, they have their expectations too from their children, according to which they always desire the best for them. In the story, we see that Roger Skunk's mummy got angry with him because she did not like her son smelling of roses. Roger was a skunk and so he must smell like a skunk only. She was not bothered how the other animals kept away from him because he smelled foul. She decided to take him back to that awful wizard so that he could get back his old smell. A child's perspective is different from an adult's perspective. A child can think mother wicked and cruel and may be infuriated at her for making Roger smell bad again. But the adults are experienced and have a practical approach. Their reactions are instructed and their actions replicate their thoughts, whereas the children are impulsive. Here the wizard must have taken the permission of mummy before converting Roger into a good smelling skunk, as little Roger didn't have that intelligence. In fact, the wizard had interfered with nature by using his magical powers, and so he deserved to be punished by Mummy Skunk. So, students, this is the way of writing a long answer question. So, after reading the question carefully, set your ideas in your mind, keeping the lesson in your mind, and then write a rough answer by putting some points in sequence, then make it finalized by systematically writing the answer in 2-3 paragraphs. So I hope you are able to write the answers of long answer question now. So the more you will practice, the more you will be confident and perfect. Thanks a lot for watching. Like, share and subscribe. Comment your opinion about this video. Thanks a lot for watching.